So for example, if you have an early bird offer, which is 4,800 rupees, if you want to change it to 5,000, go to your backend. In our case, go to his system, change the rates, 5,000, click on save, and if you come to GDS, the rate will be 5,000. So it's completely real time, dynamic, and you don't have to write an email to somebody saying that, I hear this in the market that there are distribution providers where you have to send an email to them saying that we have just made a change to our GDS rate. Can you please make sure that they are loaded? So that's not the case in the directly connected systems. So the rate price point 4,800 INR. DPST stands for deposit required. So you are saying we need a deposit. CNOR stands for non-cancelable. Okay, and this little c here is extremely important. This says the rate is commissionable. Now we see a lot of hotels in Indian market where they don't even know that their rates are non-commissionable. They are not aware. They keep coming to us saying that, well, my rate is amazing, I'm a 5-star hotel, great location, there are no bookings. Why will a travel agent book you if he is not going to earn anything? Okay. How do you know? Your distribution provider should tell you, that your rates are non-commissionable. Then comes the explanation of the rate plan, and this is again even important point, which is called room type short description. Now, this real estate space is extremely important because you have 2 full lines to talk about your hotel and the room types. How do you optimally use it? So this is an example: 1 king bed room with free buffet breakfast, free Wi-Fi, desk and lounge. I think this is not the right thing to do because the travel agent is used to reading those short forms. So if you say BKST, he knows what does it mean. If you say Wi-Fi, he knows it is free Wi-Fi. So why are you saying 1 king bed room with free buffet breakfast? You have almost wasted your 1.5 lines. So instead of that, he says 1 kg, they know that it is king bed, and then comma BKST, comma Wi-Fi, desk. Is that really important? You can instead mention 42-inch LED TV, floor to ceiling windows, ergonomic workstation. You have a lot of other options. We suggest that try and mention that you have amazing fitness center, you have a great spa, because those are the common areas attached to each and every room type. So this is very important because this space is completely free.